What'd you say?
Dimitri.
Hello. It's Monday, January 14, 2019, and we're about to head back to Manila. I'm gonna take the first few hours of the drive, and then Jason's gonna take over from Tarlac City all the way to Manila. How would you say this trip has gone?
Quite well, I believe, quite well. It was quite a learning experience, I'd say. This is my first time surfing.
What would you say was your favorite part?
Hard to say right now. I haven't collected all my thoughts for this.
As for me, I would say my favorite part would have to be the hanging bridge, but the close second would be our second day surfing. That would be a close second. It was very fruitful. Good morning. Mr. Juan, how would you say this trip has gone?
I said should, I guess.
What would you say your favorite part of the trip would be, man?
I don't know. I think everything was alright. It's a good experience to go back. A review of this place, very affordable and accommodating, but more importantly, we're alive.